Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I am so excited because I found a protein powder that doesn't bother my digestion and tastes great. It's this pure plant protein powder from Global Healing. Other protein powders, especially plant-based ones, hurt my stomach and they give me GI issues like bloating and gas. So I am so pleased that I can have this protein powder and it doesn't give me any of those issues. Other protein powders use stevia to sweeten it. A lot of times it'll give you that kind of weird, funky aftertaste, but this is sweetened with monk fruit and it doesn't have any of those aftertastes that other protein powders do. It's very smooth and it tastes great. I do like to blend it into a smoothie with bananas and almond milk or some berries, but actually it tastes just fine in a shaker bottle with just almond milk or some other milk substitute. It's really important to me that this product is third-party tested, which means that they have an outside testing agency that says that it really is as pure and potent as they claim. That way I know when Global Healing says that this product is organic and free from heavy metals, that it really is. And I always just feel really good after I drink it, which makes me very happy. I really love this product. I'm thrilled that it tastes great, it agrees with my body, and I can use it easily in a shaker bottle on the go. Global Healing really knows what they're doing. I highly recommend you trying it out, and that's my point of view.